Hey guys, how's it going? It has been a really slow day out here on the lake in pursuit of that next monster bass. So I figured right now it would be a great time to take a break and tell you guys exactly how I did the custom foam decking here in the H12. So it all started by taking some measurements from the kayak and making a sketch on a piece of paper. The next step was to transfer those dimensions to printer paper and cut them out to make some one-to-one templates. I then laid my one-to-one paper templates into the kayak to ensure that they would look the way I intended them to. I then marked and cut my pieces of 5mm craft foam. The next step was to score my design into the foam. The key here is to only cut about 1/3 to 1/2 of the way through the foam. This can be kind of difficult by hand, so it takes a little bit of patience. Next step is to add some heat. This makes the foam kind of pull apart where it's scored and really makes that pattern pop. After using some masking tape to mark out where the pads would go, I used some 500 grit sandpaper to rough out the areas. Next, I added spray adhesive to the back side of the pads. And finally, it was time to glue down the pads. This was kind of a one and done thing, so it was really important to get them lined up before letting the glue touch the kayak. Well guys, there you go. That is how I made my custom foam decking for my H12. Now, I chose black mainly because I also hunt out of this kayak. A little bit of a tip, if you guys don't hunt out of your kayak and you don't really care about camouflage and stuff like that, use a light color for your foam if you can find it, because dark colors get really hot in the sun. Well guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I hope you found it instructive, informative, well, somewhat useful in one way or another. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. It's either over here or maybe it's over here. I don't know, I always get them backwards. Well guys, it's time for me to get back to fishing. I will see you in the next one. Bye.